The king of Mugithi, Samido, niekorete on the rough side recently. No ni thutha wa one term, two term remarks. Samido etamuini tukoretwo tukimumenya stage ni mara mingi na kwanga akiongelelea what's trending. Tahidi ya gemini tuiguire akiaria uhoro wa Karago ni Kiubani. Maundu ta macio, things of that sort. Tukoretwo tukimenyera ni makorwo have that light moment ria Mugithi. But recently gwakorwo na Mugithi na agikorwo akiheo pressure nyingi muno ya gukorwo akiuga one term, na riria akorwo akiuga one term Mugithi ni uhoro ucio wakorwo ukioererwo tare murugamo wa Samido, na mafans magikorwo makenete muno ni undu wa gukorwo makiona Samido ni arakorwo agisupport one term. But little did they know that this would cost Samido big time. Thutha ucio nitorekire gukorwo tukiona mucemanio wa aini Mount Kenya mathiete kuria gukorwo magicerera deputy president Kithure Kindiki, na uhoro ucio naguo ugikorwo ukirurumura ndereti imwe nene muno guku nenda-ini. Na in the political scene andu makiuga ati those Mount Kenya artists have become sellouts. Makoretwo andu aria aguthi kuria makaheo mbeca na makorwo makiendia ruriri. Horo uria wakorirwo ukirakaria a Kenya na njira imwe nene muno, especially riria gwakorirwo ukirekereria ndumiriri ati ni mbeca marakorirwo makiheo. That story really brought Kenyans down. Now, after that, aini makorwo magiukirwo na njira imwe nene muno, because we saw the legs of akina Karago Muraya kuria makiuga ati Shani iraruta wira, and Ben Githai went to an extra mile of even composing a song for Kithure Kindiki, ruria akorwo akina muthenya ucio.
Kindiki ne witu tutige murekia bara, mutongoria mwega mutongoria mwenyihia. Kindiki ne witu mutongoria wa Kirima mutongoria twendete.
Na Samido thutha wa gukorwo akiuga one term, muthenya ucio ni akorwo akiuga two term.
Thank you, Your Excellency. Allow me to say all protocols observed. My name is Samuel Mushoki. Mimi ni mwanamuziki wa nyimbo za Injili na zingine. I also serve as a police officer under the National Police Service. Na kawaida yangu siongeangi sana mbele ya boss wangu. So I just say thank you for inviting us. Thank you, Your Excellency. Kwe maudu mahanika agira mundu karigago kana ni ule mutu iaga ni Karago or two term.
Uhoro wa turire andu na njira imwe nene muno. Afterwards, Samido Mugithi kuria Thika na Githurai ni akorwo akipressure ni andu na njira imwe nene muno. Thutha gukorwo akina Mugithi no kuria in the crowd, andu no kugiriria marakorwo makiugiriria one term, and Samido was forced to cut short his Mugithi na akorwo akideclare ni one term.
Mwanzo akamwajira ajuge nyamunimwe na mingi mwajira mwoga mwana tamu zigana ugo ni one term lungi kiraga mekia doito.
Uhoro uria wakorwo ugikenia a Kenya na njira imwe nene muno, kuona ati Samido thutha wa gukorwo agithi kuria Karen na ko declare two term, riu ni akorwo akiyumiri na gukorwo akideclare one term again thutha wa pressure ya mafans, not knowing that this will cost Samido even more. Gatheti ya Daily Nation muthenya wa tariki 28 of May 2025 nirakorirwo ikihithuria ati Samido thutha wa gukorwo akirakaria anene ake kuona ati Samido akoragwo borithi na muini wa mugithi thutha wa gukorwo akirakaria anene ake aria we are assuming that marakiuga tutam ni akoretwo akioererwo makinya manene especially wira-ini wake wa uborithi kuona ati kwina uhotekeku ati Samido ni agukorwo agithamio kuma Nairobi headquarter na korwo agitwarwo Gilgil anti-stock theft unit kuria egwikorwo akiruta wira. It is something that has raised a lot of reactions. Andu makiurania, is it really necessary? Is it really necessary thutha wa Samido gukorwo agitangatha murugamo wake kana msimamo wake kuringana na mafans ake akorwo akiererwo makinya? Ni uhoro wakorwo ugituthura ndereti imwe nene muno guku nenda-ini na nituonete andu aingi of course makiarĩrĩria uhoro uyu nituonete muthenya wa umuthi hwaini Samido ni arikia gukorwo agipost kuria nenda-ini ciake cia Facebook na haria comment section ni ndona the likes of akina Bote Njogu makimwira ndagetikira guthie girigiri ni uhoro ukoretwo ukiarĩrĩrio na njira imwe muno. Do you think Samido ni abati gukorwo agithie Gilgil na korwo agitikira transfer ire araikorwo akihurwo ni undu wa allegedly gukorwo announce one term as opposed to government's priority which is two term? That story ikara thirikari-ini iria no nginya ukorwo you're singing the same tune otherwise anytime now we kore on the wrong side with people in government now we kore just all of a sudden wina maundu maingi muno maragukorwo and I think that is why kwina rumena ruingi muno gatagatika atongoria and the Kenyans tondu the Kenyans are really feeling now this is becoming too much tondu kuona muinita Samido just because of gukorwo akina na in fact iyo ya after gukorwo agithi kuria Karen actually it is the fans who pressured him na ndugikorwo wi muini haria uraina na akuria crowd handu ha ine nawe maraina one term ucoke you just assume them. You can't. The same way in politics. They are tuonire a women rep wa Kiambu akiugiririo kuria Githunguri. And the president reacted. So in everything that happens, there has to be a reaction. Tondu hau we mboka-ine, you are in character at that moment. You are not just at anybody who has like time to think of how to react. We character in and it is between you and the people who wanakupea unga. Because at that point, Samido was entertaining the people who make him get paid. That is the fans. At that time, we character in. You don't have time to think at you, nikisema hivi, how is it going to affect me? You are before the people who pay you. I honestly feel that some of these things, an artist like Samido should not be judged. Dafati okoro akiererwo makinya tamasio, if at all. That is what is happening. Dafati yokoro akiererwo makinya tamasio because of allegedly saying one term. Ndiye maoni maku megie uhoro uyu. You can comment down there and tell us.